Imagine having all your dreams of being a cybersecurity professional come true right before your eyes. That's what this video is all about. And today I'll be sharing insights from Maryam Shuaibu, the founder of Cyber Hijabi Tech and a cybersecurity expert who has trained hundreds of beginners. She broke down exactly how she would start from zero if she will have to do it all over again in 2026. I'll show you the exact tools, the exact practice steps, and the mindset you need to go from a complete beginner to job ready. So here's the question: how would a cybersecurity expert start from zero? Her answer was simple: build a home lab. A home lab is a safe, isolated environment where you practice real-world cybersecurity scenarios without breaking any laws or damaging real systems. Think of it as your personal cybersecurity training ground where you can simulate attacks legally, practice defense and monitoring, learn how hackers think and how defenders protect. It's like training to fly an aircraft in a simulator. The beauty of a home lab is that you can make mistakes, break things, and learn, all without consequences. And talking about learning, I have two resources that can help you achieve that dream you've been carrying for months now. The first one is my free promotions checklist. This is your step-by-step roadmap to position yourself, prepare, and finally get that promotion that you deserve. And the second, if you're truly serious about moving from where you are right now to the next level of your career, I have limited spots for one-on-one career coaching sessions. We'll map out your exact next steps, remove what's blocking you, and create a clear plan to move you from where you are right now to where you want to be. Both links are the first things that you find in the description. Now, if you're thinking, I don't have money for expensive tools or a powerful computer, don't worry. Maryam has you covered. Let me show you exactly what you will need. This is what you need to get started, even on a low-end laptop. 1. A VirtualBox. This is a free virtual machine software. It lets you run multiple operating systems on your computer at the same time. It's free and beginner-friendly. The second thing is Kali Linux, your attacker machine. This is the operating system hackers use for penetration testing. It comes loaded with all the tools you need to simulate attacks. The third thing you will need is Windows 10 ISO. That's your victim machine. This is the machine you will attack in your lab to understand how vulnerabilities actually work. And the fourth is Ubuntu Linux, your defender or server machine. This is where you will practice defending systems and setting up secure servers. Your goal here is simple: create a safe, isolated environment where you can practice cybersecurity without breaking anything in the real world. Now, once you have your lab set up, here is what Maryam says you should focus on. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start small and build up from there. This is your step-by-step practice roadmap. 1. Networking basics. Before you can attack or defend systems, you need to understand how networks actually work. Learn about IP addresses, protocols, and how devices communicate. Step 2. Port scanning and enumeration. This is how hackers discover what's running on a network. You will learn to scan systems, identify open ports, and find vulnerabilities. And 3, Practice on vulnerable machines. Metapilot 2 is a deliberately vulnerable system designed for practice. You will use it to safely simulate real-world attacks and understand how exploits work. And then 4, take guided labs. TryHackMe is a platform with beginner-friendly cybersecurity challenges. It walks you through real scenarios, step by step. So you're learning by doing, not just watching. Your goal with all of this is simple. Understand how attacks happen and how systems are protected. But here is where most beginners make mistakes. Maryam says this, and I couldn't agree more. Building a home lab is good. Documenting it is even better. This is what this means. Write down what you practice. Take screenshots of your work. Share lesson learned on LinkedIn or Medium or your own blog. Build a portfolio that proves you know what you're doing. When you apply for cybersecurity jobs, employers don't just want to see certificates. They want to see that you've actually done the work. If you can show them, here is a vulnerable system I exploited. Here is how I secured a network. Here is a write-up of a penetration test I performed. You are already ahead of 90% of other applicants. Your home lab plus your documentation equals your portfolio. That's how beginners build job-ready experience without having a degree or years of experience. Look, if you're serious about cybersecurity, stop collecting certificates and start building. Set up your home lab this week. Pick one beginner challenge on TryHackMe. Document what you've learned. Do that consistently for 3 to 6 months, and you'll have more real-world skills that most people would fancy degrees. Cybersecurity is not about theory, it's practice. So go get your hands dirty, break things, fix them, learn, document, repeat, all in a safe environment. That's how you move from beginner to job ready. And by the way, I'll be hosting Maryam Shuaibu live on this channel next week to explain all of this better. If this video gave you the clarity and roadmap you've been looking for to break into cybersecurity, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss more career strategies that actually work. If you know someone who's been confused about where to start in cybersecurity, share this video with them. You might just change their lives. While you are doing all of this, you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile so recruiters find you without you chasing job alerts. This is the video that will help you do that. Go watch it right now. I wish you all the best.